friends, God bless you. Thank you so much for stopping back by on today. I hope that y'all are having a blessed day. On today's video, we are back again decluttering a space in our home. And as you see on the look of my face, friends, I just got off work and I said I got to do this pantry on today. So this video is a collaboration with Merely Melissa, and she does it once a month, and you can declutter any space in your home. So thank Miss Melissa for putting this together, and friends, there will be a playlist. Now, guys, my first plan was just to pull one shelf at a time. But dealing with this pantry and the way it's set up, I decided that's going to take me too long. So after I got through with the first, I decided to start just pulling things out. So if you got any tips to help me to declutter, guys, please share. But I'm going to do this as best as I can, and I'm going to be honest with you, it doesn't look like it started with. It came out better. So just take a few minutes every day and just declutter your space. I thank y'all so much for stopping in. Friends, there's a lot of disadvantages of having a small pantry or having no pantry. The problem is that I can really stuff a lot of stuff in here when I get ready. But you got to be careful because it is so easy to get unorganized. But I did found a few things that I was misplacing, like my nutty bars. And I thought my husband ate them, but he didn't. So these sealed containers here, I had them on the top, so I'm going to make use of those. What I'm doing here, I am going through my canned goods. My mother-in-law, God bless her, she loves to go to the food bank, and she brings us so much canned goods, especially fruit cocktails, and you get a lot of fruit canned fruit and applesauce and spinach, and so I am going to pull out a lot of this. I gave approximately probably about 15 to 20 cans out of this closet to one of my neighbors who have a lot of children, and she was so grateful for it, so I thank God for that. But I found a lot of things in here. Found out I got a lot of peanut butter, I got a lot of syrup, so it's good to know what you have in your pantry so you don't overbuy. Friends, another reason I am going through this is because I'm about to go grocery shopping this weekend, and I don't want to buy too much of the wrong things and then don't have the right things. So I'm going to have to make my list and get prepared while I'm doing this. And also, just know that this may not look Pinterest ready or all fancy up, but it looks so much better than it did when I first opened this closet. So even if we don't get it Pinterest ready, because this is real life, guys, we still have to declutter our home. Friends, I got this can organizer from Amazon, and I will link it in my description box if you're looking for one for your pantry. Those container bins, I bought those at Walmart, and I believe they were either $8 or $10. I did go to the Dollar Tree to look for some more baskets to use for my pantry, but I could not find them. I don't know where the lady who do the Dollar Tree videos, Miss Catherine, be getting all those beautiful things at the Dollar Tree, because we don't have a lot of that stuff, and she find the best containers for the pantry. But our store, I went out and I did look. They only had the color, and I didn't want all the colors. So I said I'll keep the ones I have. And sometimes you just got to work with what you got. So there was a no money spent on this one, guys. I already had everything here from last year. Friends, it's just taking a little time. You have to really go through this. It's taking time to go through everything and trying to put all the vegetables together. It's a process. So I thank you so much, and I appreciate you watching this video all the way through and liking and commenting, and I appreciate it so much. I really do thank you, because I know how YouTube is. So I thank you so much for your patience with me on today. Thank you so much, friends, that continue to come back to my videos. God bless you for doing that. So friends, you see the smile on my face now? I'm almost finished. I'm telling you, this was a workout here today for me, but I'm glad, thank God, I got through it. So let me share with you what I did. I put my Instapot up here because I don't use it as often, and that free up the space in my island. And I wanted to keep my big jar of sugar and flour and the rice and a few other things up top. So that'll be so convenient for me, and I'll know where everything is. Friends, on the second shelf, I kept my mason jars and a few other items, and I can see where everything is at now. And yes, I have 4 jars of unopened peanut butter. So I'm telling you guys, it's good to know what you have in your home so you won't overbuy. Here on the third shelf, I use my sealed containers. I got these from Walmart, and I use these tall ones for my rice and for the pasta. I got about 6 or 7 things of pasta. That also came from the food bank. And I'm making another container for my oatmeal because I love oatmeal. And on the fourth shelf, I have the canned goods. And yes, I'm so glad that I gave a lot of the canned goods away. Down here, I mostly have the paper plates, paper cups, and that's what's mainly there, and some drinks to the bottom. In the door, I use one of these budget-friendly shoe racks, and I use it to hold my food. And it is so much cheaper than buying one of those pantry door rack holders. So friends, I hope y'all got something out of this, and I thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. God bless you, and thank you for watching. Bye bye from Penny.